Holroyd Precision Rotors is a world leader in the precision manufacturing of screw rotors and compressor components. With a long history in continuous innovation, Holroyd has become a trusted supplier to high-performance industries such as energy, aerospace, oil and gas processing. The company is particularly renowned for its advanced technology and modern manufacturing processes, resulting in products that are durable and perform exceptionally well. Holroyd develops and uses its own line of advanced CNC gear cutting and grinding machines, optimized for the manufacture of screw rotors and industrial gears with extremely high precision, less than 5 microns. Holroyd uses aerodynamic simulation and geometry optimization software to design screw rotors. The rotors are designed to optimize airflow, reduce energy consumption, and reduce operating noise. Holroyd uses proprietary grinding technology to produce smooth and precise rotor teeth, ensuring maximum transmission efficiency and reduced friction. The smooth grinding surface increases product life and reduces energy loss. Holroyd uses high-quality alloys and special heat treatment technology to increase the strength, hardness, and fatigue resistance of rotors and gears. The blank is cut and machined to approximate dimensions and shapes. This ensures material savings in subsequent machining steps. Using CNC milling machines, Holroyd forms the basic shape of the worm and rotor teeth. This shape is then refined in subsequent steps. The rotor and worm teeth are surface treated to increase hardness and wear resistance in high-pressure environments. After hardening, the rotor is tempered to ensure that there are no internal residual stresses, reducing the risk of cracking or deformation during use. Holroyd uses the most advanced 5-axis CNC grinding machines to fine-tune the worm teeth. The teeth are ground to the highest precision to ensure a perfect fit between the screw rotor and other components of the air compressor. The smoothness of the teeth reduces friction, noise, and wear over the life of the product. The rotors are assembled and tested under real operating conditions, measuring pressure, airflow, and noise. Holroyd products are used not only in the energy and aerospace industries, but also in the food processing, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. Holroyd Precision Rotors is the epitome of excellence in the manufacturing of screw rotors and air compressors. With advanced technology, rigorous quality control processes, and the ability to customize products, Holroyd ensures that their products not only meet, but exceed the expectations of customers in the most demanding industries. Horsberg & Scott is one of the world's leading companies, specializing in the design, manufacture, and maintenance of industrial gear systems. Founded in 1886 in Cleveland, Ohio, USA, the company has built a reputation for precision engineering, high quality, and the ability to meet the diverse needs of industries. From mining and energy to steel and cement production, Horsberg & Scott provides custom gear solutions that optimize the performance of critical equipment. Horsberg & Scott uses modern technology and advanced processes to manufacture industrial gears with high precision. The company uses leading design and simulation software to create gear designs that best suit each customer's requirements. This ensures accuracy right from the planning stage. New generation CNC machines allow gears to be machined with extremely high precision, minimizing errors and ensuring consistent quality in every product. Horsberg & Scott uses heat treatments such as carburizing, surface hardening, and controlled quenching to increase the strength, hardness, and load-carrying capacity of the gears. Ultrasonic, magnetic, and magnetic particle testing technologies are used to detect potential defects in the material without compromising the quality of the product. Take a look at the gear manufacturing process at Horsberg & Scott to see how they make excellent gears. Based on the customer's requirements, design engineers will create detailed 3D design drawings of the gears. Then, machining programs will be programmed to control CNC machines. High-quality steel blanks are rough machined on CNC lathes and mills to create the basic shape of the gears. Gear cutting is performed using specialized machines, ensuring profile and pitch accuracy. Gears are heat-treated to enhance their mechanical properties, enabling them to withstand high pressures under severe operating conditions. After heat treatment, the gears are finished, grinded, or lapped to achieve the highest dimensional accuracy and surface finish. Each gear is thoroughly inspected using state-of-the-art measuring equipment, including a 3D gear profiler to ensure compliance with specifications. Gears are shipped to customers with detailed installation and maintenance instructions. Horsberg & Scott also provides an installation service if required. With advanced technology, strict manufacturing processes, and extensive experience, Horsberg & Scott has established itself as one of the world's leading gear manufacturers. Their products are highly regarded for their quality, durability, and performance, meeting the needs of the most demanding customers. Horsberg & Scott gears stand out from other manufacturers thanks to a number of unique factors, including quality, advanced technology, customer support, and the ability to customize to customer needs. Horsberg & Scott has been in the industrial gear manufacturing business for over 130 years. This gives them a huge advantage in experience, engineering skills, and the ability to solve complex requirements that few competitors can match. They have designed and manufactured giant gears for heavy industries, such as energy, mining, and steel. The company focuses not only on manufacturing, but also on understanding specific applications, thereby providing the most suitable and efficient solutions. Horsberg & Scott is one of the few manufacturers that can manufacture extremely large and complex gears, gear diameters up to 40 feet, over 12 meters, capable of handling heavy loads and operating reliably in harsh conditions. This makes them the preferred choice for large-scale industrial projects requiring specialized gears. Horsberg & Scott applies strict quality control from raw materials to finished products. Alloy steels are carefully selected to ensure durability and wear resistance. Advanced CNC equipment and gear cutting machines ensure the accuracy of tooth profile and pitch. Heat treatment optimizes load capacity and extends gear life. In addition, all products undergo non-destructive testing, NDT, to ensure that there are no defects. Unlike many other manufacturers that offer standard products, Horsberg & Scott stands out for its ability to customize to customer needs. Based on specific load, speed, and operating environment requirements, their gears can be designed to replace or upgrade a customer's existing gear system, regardless of which manufacturer originally supplied the system. Horsberg & Scott continuously updates its manufacturing technology to maintain its leading position, such as 3D tooth profile measurement system, to ensure the highest geometric accuracy of gears. Integrating numerical simulation analysis, FEA, to analyze stress and optimize design from the very beginning. Controlled cooling technology helps gears achieve the optimal balance between surface hardness and core toughness. Not every manufacturer can meet the requirements from many fields like Horsberg & Scott. Their products serve the mining, wind energy, steel, and cement industries. Horsberg & Scott stands out not only because of its experience and modern technology, but also because of its focus on quality, customization, and outstanding support services. This is the reason why the company is trusted by partners in many industries, especially in projects that require high precision and durability. Meccanica Gervasoni is an Italian company renowned for the design and manufacture of high-quality ball valves. With over 50 years of experience, the company has built a solid reputation for its use of advanced technology, precision machining, and the ability to customize products to customer needs. Meccanica Gervasoni ball valves are widely used in the oil and gas, chemical, energy, and water treatment industries. Meccanica Gervasoni ball valves use stainless steel, high-grade alloys, or special materials to ensure high-pressure resistance, corrosion resistance, and heat resistance. Ball valves are manufactured with absolute precision to ensure full opening/closing and no leakage. Flexible design, customization suitable for harsh working environments such as high pressure, low temperature, or highly corrosive liquids. The design allows for simple disassembly and maintenance, reducing system downtime. The production of ball valves at Meccanica Gervasoni is a complex process, requiring a combination of modern technology, highly skilled workers, and strict quality control. Below are the main stages in the production process. Meccanica uses advanced design software to create accurate 3D models of ball valves. Flow simulations and pressure tests are performed using CFD, computational fluid dynamics, to optimize performance. Stainless steel, alloy steel, special materials such as Inconel, Hastelloy, Monel, and uses materials such as PTFE, PEEK, or high-performance polymers to ensure tightness and long service life. All mechanical machining is carried out on modern CNC equipment. The valve body is made from high-quality steel or alloy billets. Milling, turning, and drilling are performed on 5-axis CNC machines to ensure precise dimensions and geometry. The ball is the most important component, machined and polished with extremely high precision, gloss-reaching micro-inch to ensure smooth opening/closing and no leakage. The valve seat is made of heat-resistant and pressure-resistant material, manufactured with high precision to ensure perfect sealing. The valve and ball surfaces are treated with methods such as nickel, chrome, or tungsten carbide plating to increase durability and wear resistance. The ball surface is polished to reduce friction, ensure smooth operation, and increase product life. All ball valve components are assembled in a clean room to ensure that there is no dirt or impurities that affect operation. Each ball valve is tested under high pressure, hydraulic or pneumatic, to ensure no leakage. The valve is tested for opening/closing ability, tightness, and flow uniformity. After testing, the ball valve is surface finished and coated with antioxidation if necessary. Careful packaging ensures that the product is not damaged during transportation. Meccanica Gervasoni has established itself as one of the world's leading ball valve manufacturers. With advanced technology, precise manufacturing processes, and strict quality control, their ball valves not only meet strict technical standards, but also bring long-term value to customers. The company continues to lead the way in providing innovative solutions for modern industry.